everybody. Today is the first video that I'm doing with my iPhone, and as you can see, I'm going through showing you exactly what we're going to use for this design today. It is 3 different designs, and I'm hoping that it's going to be easy for you to do. I'm just going to make sure that that it's easy for everybody to do at home, in a salon, whatever you want to do it at, wherever you want to do it at. First of all, we're going to put some serious black on this nail here, and we're going to do that to a second one, and then we're going to put some white on the third one. I don't show you the white because I thought it might be a bit boring for you to sit there and put color on, or to put gel polish on all of them. I have done it twice. I have basically done 3 there, and then I top coated it with matte top coat, as you can see. I've only shown you one, and then I'll show you the finished product afterwards, so we can get straight to the design. Well, the first design we're going to do is going to be with a stamper and to stamp a stamping pad. This is from Born Pretty, as you can see. And we're going to do a nice little spiders and web. So as you can see there, we've got one spider on there already. Now we're going to be putting the other spider on there. And then I'm going to use my detailer brush, and we're going to finish putting the web through. Gosh, I'm having to think about what I'm saying today. It's early morning for me. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm still not quite awake. Okay, so we're going to use some serious black, and we're going to finish putting the web through with my detailer brush. This is a very fine detailer brush. It is a 00, I think. So it's one of the finest detailer brushes that you can get. And once we're finished there, as you can see, it looks. You basically looks almost 3D from where you're sitting. Once you finish putting in the web, it'll look a lot better. At first, whenever you put the stamp down, it just looks like it's been stamped down. But once you put a few other details on there, then you will see the difference. And there we go. And then we're just going to pop that into the lamp for 30 seconds. For this one, we're going to be doing a jack-o'-lantern, a set of jack-o'-lanterns. We're going to be using fluorescent orange from Born Pretty, but I tried using this and it was just a little bit too light. So what I did is I mixed the fluorescent with a little bit of orange Born Pretty Stampin' Gel. And then I took some more of the Stampin' Gel, of the fluorescent Stampin' Gel, and put it on top of that. Just use my detailer brush and painted it on top. So that it would still be, so it would still have a night glow. And you'll see the finished product here in just a second. Go. And these stampers, I have one from Born Pretty, which is the petrol one that I was using a few minutes ago, and then I used the smaller one from Clear Jelly Stamper. Okay, now this one is going to have flame stickers at the bottom. It takes me a little bit to grab hold of these things. It was an absolute hassle. I tried so hard to get these things, and it just wouldn't budge. It took forever. All I wanted was 3 little stickers. There we go, there's one. This, these flame stickers I was actually sent from by Model 1s. They sent me a bunch of flame stickers and alien stickers and leaf stickers, and just a whole bunch of them at one time. They usually send stuff with send free stuff with the orders, with my order, and so I get all of this with it. Took a little bit to actually get these stickers on. They wanted to ravel up while I was trying to put them on there. And then I tried this one and it broke on me. So, don't know, they weren't the best in the world, I'll tell you that. I mean, I've had easier stickers come off, but these, I don't know. It just didn't want to come off. It took some doing, believe me. And after we finish here, we're just going to be putting some glitters on. And of course, all my glitters are from Nail Sugar. And I do have a link to that down below, as well as many other places that with the products that I use. I think I've got Nail Nails down there as well, which is where the Urban Graffiti comes from Kirsty Meakin's Nail Nails. Not to be mistaken with Neo Nails. Neo Nail is a totally different product, but Nail Nail is from Kirsty Meakin, and she has some brilliant products there, and so do Neo Nail. I've actually got some of their products and I will be using later on, but at the minute I'm doing Halloween stuff, so we're going to be using that. Now at the minute this is going to be the glitter for it'll be Candy Apple. I'm going to be sprinkling that down on this one. And then we're going to put it in, it'll go in for a cure for 30 seconds. And what I used Model 1's base coat for the to stick the glitter on. There we go. There's the finished product for that one. That is the first one. The second one is the pumpkin, and we're going to be using the jack-o'-lanterns. We're going to be using pumpkin patch for this one. All I did was take a little bit of the Model 1's base coat and pop a little bit around the sides, around the edges, and then sprinkled the pumpkin patch onto that. Made a little bit of mess there. I always make a mess. Seems like every time I get into my nail room, I've got a mess. And it's usually glitter. Well, what's life without a little bit of glitter mess? You can always clean it up. There we go. Now we're just going to brush off the excess. I had some on one of the jack-o'-lanterns that I didn't want, so I had to do a little bit of extra scrubbing there to get it off of that one. But eventually it came off. There we go. There's the finished product for that one. By the way, I did take some of the Serious Black and I did add some detail to the eyes and the mouth and everything for the jack-o'-lanterns so that it would stand out a little bit. Now the next one will be the spider, and I think this one's my favorite one because it uses, I'm using diamond dust for this one. Just taking a little bit of base coat, and I'll be putting it around the spider's body and the spider legs. As you can see. And then we'll be sprinkling diamond dust on top of that, and it really brings out the spiders. I was very impressed with that one. I love that one. That was my favorite. The diamond dust is my favorite. Of all the glitters, diamond dust is my favorite. It's because it's sparkly. I'm a magpie, me. I love anything sparkly. When my husband can't figure out what to get me for as a present for birthday or Christmas, I tell him just get jewelry. Doesn't matter what it is. Could be a ring, could be earrings, could be a necklace, bracelet, whatever. It's jewelry. As long as it's shiny, I don't care. Hope everybody's having a really good day today. Should have said that at first, but I didn't think about it because, as I said, I am still halfway awake and I'm trying to wake up. I've got a cappuccino here next to me, so hopefully that'll help me wake up. But I'm not sure because there's this decaf, no caffeine, no sugar. There we go. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that beautiful spider. I hate spiders, but on that, I'll take it. Absolutely lovely. Right, so this is the end of it. This is everything, and I hope you all have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll see you soon.